When can a child's voice change a custody order? Imagine being in a courtroom where a child's opinion could influence a decision that shapes their future living situation. It might seem surprising, but a child's voice can indeed impact custody arrangements. The key is understanding when and how their wishes matter most. Courts usually consider a child's preference if the child is old enough and mature enough to express a reasoned opinion. This generally means children around the age of 12 or older, but it can vary depending on the child's maturity level. When a child shares their feelings about where they want to live, the court looks at whether those feelings are genuine or based on temporary feelings like anger or sadness. If a child's preference is consistent over time and backed by reasons, it can carry more weight. However, the court's main goal is always to serve the child's best interests, which includes safety, stability, and emotional well-being. A child's desire to change custody is more likely to be considered if there are significant changes in circumstances. For example, if one parent is neglectful, abusive, or dealing with substance abuse, the court will see these as serious reasons to reconsider custody. If a parent plans to move far away, making it hard for the child to see the other parent, that can also be a reason to modify the order. From a single parenting perspective, it's important to understand that a child's voice is just one part of the puzzle. Courts want to see clear evidence that a change is in the child's best interests. If a child feels unsafe or unhappy, documenting these concerns can help support a request for a custody change. Parents should encourage open communication with their children and keep records of their wishes and any related issues. If a parent wants to change a custody order based on the child's wishes, they need to file a formal motion with the court. This motion should include evidence of the child's consistent preferences and any relevant changes in circumstances. The court will then review all factors, including the child's wishes, the parent's ability to care for the child, and the overall stability of the current arrangement. Only after careful evaluation will the court decide whether to modify the custody order to better serve the child's needs.